Do you have the knowledge about the importance of your blood group? The general population believes that knowledge about your blood group is only important if involved in a blood transfusion. Our blood group actually gives us the key to unlock the many sources of why we are not living our lives to our fullest potential. The research of benefits to our blood group date back to 1901 when biologist and physician Carl Landsteiner developed the modern classification of blood groups. This discovery was the first step toward gaining individuality with unique blood groups. Since then, several renowned scientists have incorporated the research of Landsteiner and expounded on how knowledge of our blood group can fundamentally enhance our lifestyle. Clinical studies have shown that people who know and cater to their blood group have increased energy, reduced chronic disease, and increased weight loss. Don't you want the positive health aspects to be consistent in your own life? Of course you do. Nature's Foy has been developed on the backbone of research completed some 100 years ago. Nothing new is under the sun, but many aspects of your life enrichment have been forgotten. Through digestion of Nature's Foy, you begin to provide your internal tract and blood system with vitamins and nutrients it requires to provide you with optimal internal health. This may sound cliché, but the fact is that if you aren't providing your blood with the vitamins and nutrients it requires, you are never going to achieve the constant healthy lifestyle that you so deeply desire. Why continue to waste your time and the little energy you have on supplements that don't fully get you to the point you deeply desire? Nature's Foy consists of beneficial foods that your internal organs and blood require to provide you with optimal health. This is possible due to the selection of all natural foods specifically for your particular blood group. Strict diets rarely have long-term usage, so Nature's Foy was developed to supplement your deficiencies with all the natural food your blood and internal organs require. Eating week-old pesticide-rich foods from the market doesn't compare to the vitamin richness and direct blood and organ enrichment found in Nature's Foy.